Hi gents, this is Mr. Holding, and this quick video is just to help go through how to use the sine ratio to determine the perpendicular height of a triangle when you're trying to find the area. Okay, so as we know, the basic equation to find the area of a triangle is half of the base times the perpendicular height, with our base being the long one here, and the perpendicular height being at a right angle to the base. So you can help yourself out by drawing it, and then drawing in as accurately can the perpendicular height at a right angle as best you can. And so we're trying to find x. Alright, whatever pronumeral you choose to use is up to you. I like to use x just because I'm familiar with it. Alright, so therefore, okay, what we want to do is we want to try and find out sine of 60. Okay, and the reason why we use sine is because it's opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so remember SOHCAHTOA, S-O-H, opposite over hypotenuse. We've got our right angle here, and so we're going to write in sine 60 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, and get in the habit of writing through the steps. So equals opposite is x over hypotenuse, which is 6 centimeters. Alright, and we want to make x the subject, which means we want to get rid of this 6 and put it on the other side. Okay, how do we do that? We do the opposite to both sides to cancel this out. So x divided by 6, multiplied by 6, cancel, cancel, multiply this side by 6, and we end up with sine 60 times 6 equals x. Therefore, x equals, take my calculator, sine 60 multiplied by 6 equals 5.2 roughly. Okay, and centimeters. So my perpendicular height is roughly 5.2 centimeters. Okay, I'll write that in there for h equals 5.2 centimeters. I could have, of course, written h there, and in hindsight probably would have been a better idea. So I'm then going to go use this. Therefore, area of the triangle equals half of my base multiplied by my height is 0.5 multiplied by 15 centimeters multiplied by 5.2 centimeters equals, go plug it in, 0.5 times 15 times 5.2, and I end up with 39 cubic centimeters. Alright, so ultimately all I've done, how I've used sine, is I've used it to find the perpendicular height here. Now this is very similar to Pythagoras' method to do it. You use Pythagoras to do that when you have that opportunity. This is the same. Alright, so both of these two methods are ultimately you're trying to find the perpendicular height, so you can multiply that by the base and then divide it by 2 to come up with the overall area. Alright, so this is the simple version. Sometimes you get it where there are multiple triangles and you have to do multiple steps, but you'll get to do that. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to come and see me in class.